How are you, friends? I hope you all are doing well. I welcome you to my channel with a new topic. The importance of appearing poor is something you will notice everywhere these days. You will see that everyone seems wealthy, branded shoes, branded cars, luxury items, and so much more, which may make you feel that the world is so rich and we are so poor. But that's not true. In the quest to appear wealthy, people are putting themselves in debt just to impress others and to create the illusion of success, while in reality they are drowning in debt. However, the truly wealthy people are often the most unassuming. They are among us, and you wouldn't be able to tell that they are wealthy, even if they have millions of dollars. It is very important for us to know this truth. We should not just appear wealthy, but should focus on becoming wealthy. Today, we are going to talk about something that is rarely discussed in this showy world. How can we actually become truly wealthy? Alongside this, we will also learn what habits we need to leave behind in order to build our wealth. Because as soon as you start paying attention to these things, your life will completely change. Sustainability is no longer just a buzzword, it's a necessity. Fast fashion not only harms the planet, but also encourages a cycle of wastefulness. Consider investing in quality, sustainable brands instead. We all know that the market is filled with various brands, which we often buy without wanting them, simply due to fashion trends. We spend on things we don't really need just to show society that we are wealthy. So ask yourself, is this really right? Keeping up with fashion is not wrong, but putting yourself in debt to buy designer brands that offer poor quality is wrong. So why not choose brands that provide good quality at half the cost? I won't name any brands here, but you are smart enough to decide which brand is better for you and won't impact your wealth. For example, if there's a brand that offers high quality at a lower price, that brand is good. Some brands do everything to attract customers, but due to economic reasons, many people cannot purchase them. Designer brands and luxury goods charge a premium for their status, which is an expensive way to appear wealthy. Therefore, building wealth starts with financial literacy. Create a budget, prioritize saving, and learn to invest wisely. Your financial future depends on it. Did you know that excessive spending can lead to feelings of inadequacy and anxiety? Understanding the psychological effects of consumerism is vital for your mental health. The question is, do the things or brands you are purchasing actually benefit you, or are you buying them just to show off? You might buy products for a sense of pride, but it will significantly affect your wealth. While all these things give you value, the important thing to consider is whether you are doing it for yourself or for others. Let me give you an illustration. You cannot just buy a Rolls-Royce car because the company checks your wealth before allowing you to purchase it to ensure you can maintain it. On the other hand, you can buy another brand of car at a much cheaper price without any hassle. So it's all a game played by brands in which we are all stuck. My point is that whenever I want something, I have to think about whether I truly need it or if I want it because of what others think. In the end, if the purchase is for validation or insecurity, then it's not right. If it's for show-off, then that's not right either. If you are paying extra to advertise for others, perhaps it's time to consider whether this is right for you, or if there's something else that could provide you with better, more lasting value. Here's what real people are saying. I used to care about designer brands, but now I focus on experiences with my family. It's about what truly matters. Brands and luxury will come and go, but family will not. This is the mindset of the truly wealthy who focus on increasing their wealth rather than on showiness. And when it comes to money, it's not everything. It can solve many problems, but once family is broken, it doesn't come back together. Money is vital for us as it serves several essential functions that underpin our daily lives and economic systems. As a medium of exchange, it simplifies transactions, allowing us to buy and sell goods and services without the complexities of bartering. Money also acts as a store of value, enabling us to save and preserve wealth for future needs. It provides a unit of account, making it easier to measure and compare the value of different products, thus facilitating informed financial decisions. Moreover, money drives economic growth by facilitating investments and consumption, which are crucial for innovation and development. Lastly, it offers liquidity, ensuring quick access to funds for emergencies or immediate purchases. Overall, money is foundational to personal financial stability and broader economic progress. Based on my knowledge, I'm sharing some points on how we should use money carefully. Create a budget. Track your income and expenses to create a budget that helps you allocate funds for necessities, savings, and discretionary spending. 2. Prioritize needs over wants. Focus on essential expenses such as housing, food, and healthcare before spending on non-essential items. 3. Save and invest. Set aside a portion of your income for savings and investments to build wealth over time and prepare for unexpected expenses. 4. Avoid impulse purchases. Take time to think about purchases, especially large ones, to avoid impulse buying and ensure you are making informed decisions. 5. Compare prices. Shop around and compare prices before making a purchase to ensure you are getting the best deal possible, maximizing the value of your money. As we look to the future, we will likely see a continued move away from materialism toward conscious living. Let's embrace this change together. Money is the tool we need to progress, so we should use it wisely. If you have money and know how to use it correctly, nothing can stop you from becoming truly wealthy. Before I go, I want to share a personal experience. I have seen, and you all may have seen, that in this world a person's value is often determined by their wealth. If you have money, everyone is your friend, every joy is yours, your friends are yours, your girlfriend is yours, and your wife is yours. But if you don't have money, there will be issues even in relationships. In this world, you will meet many people who will give you free advice and then make fun of you behind your back. My belief is that first, you should become wealthy and then you can become a philosopher. Thank you for joining us. What do you think about the importance of looking poor in today's world? Share your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content.